All right, one of the most important theorems that we have in mathematics is called the Pythagorean theorem. That's in any right triangle. If we have, I'm going to change my color to black. If we have a right triangle like this, the two sides connected to the right angle are called legs. The side across from it is called the hypotenuse. So you always look for the one that's across from the right angle. That's called the hypotenuse. And we go through, and our Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The only thing that's really important is this one all by itself has to be the hypotenuse. Every single time it has to be the hypotenuse. So we look at problem number 53, and we see that the side across from the right angle is the one that we don't know, okay? So that's our hypotenuse. So we call that side C. A can be 5 or 10, and B can be 5 or 10 also. So we just say 5 squared plus 10 squared equals C squared. And set it up. Now all we have to do is isolate C, get C all by itself. We get 125 equals C squared. 125 equals C squared. We square root both sides. And we get C equals the square root of 125. So from square roots, we want to make sure that we simplify this. If I look at that, I know that 125 is divisible by 25. So we get 25 times 5. The square root of 25 is 5. So our answer is 5 square root of 5. If you punch that in the calculator, it'll give you a decimal approximation, but our directions say no decimal approximation, so the correct answer is 5 square root of 5. Now the next one, same exact problem, except for now we know what our C is. We don't know what our A or our B is. So we call this one A, we'll call this one B. So we go A squared plus 3 squared equals 8 squared. Now we just isolate A all by itself. We get A squared plus 9 equals 64. Subtract 9 from both sides, we get A squared equals 55. We take the square root of both sides, we get A equals the square root of 55. The factors of 55 are 5 and 11. Both are not perfect squares, so we know that that is completely simplified. So our answer is square root of 55.